guys, welcome to my mother's YouTube channel. My name is Anati. Today we're going to play a game and I don't know what it's called, but my mother will tell you more about it.
Hi guys. Thank you for coming back, guys. My new YouTube subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I see you, and thank you so much for the love. The road to 100 subbies is on. So today I've got a special guest, my daughter. We are here to play a game. The game is like taste and tell. She will taste something and then I'll describe what it is. But I won't see what it is. I'll be blindfolded and she'll be blindfolded as well, because it will be a vice versa. I've asked my cousin to prepare things that we did not know what it is, so that we can play the games with. I hope, guys, you enjoy the video. Stick around. Hi guys, we are back. We are blindfolded. I can't see what's in front of me. So we are going to play a game. She's gonna take a card somewhere here and then pick up a number. Whatever number she has chosen, there's food on or whatever on that number. So she has to taste whatever is in that card number and then describe it to me what it is. Then I'll guess what she's talking about. Okay, where are the cards? Khetha ikhadi bese unikeza usinethemba kwanye phabana. Bazokunikeza loo nto ichuzileyo. Aibo. I can smell that one. Describe it.
Something that is white.
White mayonnaise. Yeah?
Yes.
Hey, I can smell it. Okay, it's my turn. Yo! Where are the cards?
Nah.
Number 3. Where's number 3? Okay, this one I can just smell and tell. This and I to use it to make a sandwich.
Ram.
No.
Pola.
Yes. Next, choose a number.
Oh, something that it eats early in the morning every day.
Something you eat early in the morning. Porridge. Porridge. Okay. It's my turn. What number is this? Can you see the one? Where is number 2? Yo! Okay, this is what you use when you are making a salad. No. Use it for green salad. You can put it in eggs as well. You can put it in whatever. Yeah. In a triangular shaped bottle. It's a green. I have to take a guess how.
Not enough taste wrong.
Aibo. Did you taste it wrong? Aibo, it is.
Mama says,
Kandile. You're telling me because this is what is used for a salad. Oh no. This is wrong. Oh, okay, you're right. This this is what we use when you dip your chips in your your chips, like your Simba chips, your biscuits or whatever snack.
oh, cream.
Yeah, the dipping cream. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this round. I beat my daughter. I won. She didn't know much. How many did you get? 1. Okay, round 2 is coming, guys. Otherwise, I won this round. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, welcome to my mother YouTube channel. My name is Evira and I'm here to play a game. My mother will tell you more about the game.
Hi guys, this is round 2 of the game. Another version of mother and son. This is my last born son, Iviwe. I'm going to play the same game with him as well. I hope you enjoy this round. Hi guys, we are back with round 2 of the game with Iviwe. Let's see how he's gonna do. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. This one, Iviwe. You can put it in your when you're eating a macaroni. It's white in color.
It's white. Tomato sauce.
It's white in color.
It's white.
Yes. You put it in your macaroni. Put it in your eggs.
Spice.
Not spice. It's creamy.
Is that thing, but I don't know, is in the fridge?
No, not that one. The one you put it in your macaroni.
Vegetables?
No. It has a red lid. It's cream in color.
It's cream.
Yeah.
Mayonnaise?
Good mayonnaise. Okay. What turn is it? Oh, it's your turn.
This one? Something I eat in when I'm going to school, you see, I put it under the sink.
It's rama.
No.
It's cheese.
No. Yes. I don't know.
This one, if we is from my is red.
It's red tomato sauce.
No, it's a veg. It's vegetables, a red vegetable. I used to have it in my garden.
Ah, beetroot.
But it was the last time. Oh, that was all. That is finished, ne? There's more? No, there is more. Okay, guys, this is it for this round with Evie. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the game between me and my kids. Till the next video. Bye. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Till the next video. Bye.